Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy a page in Microsoft Word. Now, as you can see, I have a Word document here. It's just one single page, and I'm going to copy or duplicate this page. So how do you do it? Highlight everything on the page by simply pressing Ctrl A. It's better this way instead of if you have a whole lot of content on the page, you're, let's say, click and highlight the page like that. But before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. It's easier if you just press Ctrl A to select everything and then press Ctrl C. Now that's how you copy the page. Now how do you duplicate this? No, there's no way how to right click and duplicate a page or something. What you need to do is go down to the bottom of the page, and if you're not able to click there, press enter on your keyboard until it reaches the bottom of the page, and then once you press it until the end of the page, it will automatically create a second blank page for you. Now all you have to do is just press Ctrl V on your keyboard, and you will copy all the content from that first page to the second page. And that's how you copy a page. That's how you duplicate a page in Microsoft Word, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.